The top 5 best sublimation printer for t-shirts recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Epson 2760. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 and the Epson EcoTank ET2760 are highly similar sublimation printers for t-shirts with almost indistinguishable features, albeit the ET2760 performs somewhat better generally in my opinion. The ET2760 is firmly made, prints 2 full-sided pages easily, and has an external storage capacity. I found it to deliver more pages at lesser costs per print. Almost 90% of the replacement cost was saved when I started using the ET2760 printer. Recommendation number 2. Canon Pixma G6020. The Canon Pixma G6020 is a minimal expense best dyed printer for t-shirts with enticingly modest running expenses and fantastic print quality. To know more about its compatibility, I unpacked a Pixma G6020, cautiously filled up the ink tanks, and put it through thorough testing in my work environment. At a standard rate, the Pixma G6020 offers to be an extremely conventional printer for sublimation shirts. The scatter bed is fairly recessed from the rest of the gadget and has a matte dark completion over a square-shaped body. As I lifted the top cover. Recommendation number 3. Epson PM400. Choosing the Epson model was one of the strong decisions because it offers a bigger than normal print size and the top-notch results that I anticipated from a usual sublimation printer for t-shirts. The speed is found to be remarkable for a minimal expense-specific sublimation shirt printer and is consistent across all types of fabrics. While printing, except for a single shot, each of the 4x6-inch reflexive paper prints required somewhere in the range of 40.8 and 42.3 seconds. However, one exception required 48.8 seconds, with the extra time represented by a noticeable housekeeping task the printer expected to do before printing. Recommendation number 4. Epson Artisan 1430. Designed to convert digital photographs into physical structures and ink beautiful art onto transparent plates as well as fabrics. It provided me with higher quality with unparalleled variety, a distant network with cell phone likeness, and a reasonably speedy printing experience for my shirt ideas. Furthermore, it is easy to print size 13x19, large enough and ideal for all over t-shirt sizes. Epson 1430 is a superb color printer for shirts. I got the opportunity to take photograph printing to a higher level with the Artisan 1430. Recommendation number 5. Epson ET15000. Without a doubt, the Epson EcoTank ET15000 is considered rightly the world's most prominent Epson printer for t-shirts. Unique when compared to my earlier inkjet printer experiences. One of the effective features of ET15000 includes the utilization of around 90% less ink as compared to other printers. Noticeably, my print quality was never compromised due to this. Far superior, ET15000 utilizes minimal expense EcoTank ink, which was very economical and feasible for me. Precision Core innovation features guarantee great printing execution.